Hi, this is Spencer Colgan and welcome to Spencer Colgan's Wallpaper. I have a tip for you, but before I give it to you, I want you to do me a favor. Click on like and subscribe to my channel now. Click the little button. No, I'm going to wait till you do it. Did you do it? Oh, okay, thank you. I appreciate it. This way, I get to share with you all the exciting new things that I learn from the companies whose paper I install, and all of the vast amount of knowledge I've amassed over the years of installing wallpaper. I want you to share your installation tricks with me too, and the people who follow me. I'm going to show you a little trick on how to make your corners nice and sharp. Now, we are at the beautiful Barnes & Noble, and we're doing a remodel. So we got to get this done. So it can only stay on with you about a minute or two. To get the corners nice and tight, first of all, we apply a little fire. Okay, now don't move. Stay right there, and I will come right back to you with fire. Stay right there. Now, I have the fire, and I want to show you. The first thing you're going to do on a corner is you're going to put extra glue. That's rule number one. You got to put extra glue on the corners. If you have extra tacky glue, which we're using, use that. You want to go 2 inches on one side, 2 inches on the other. The second thing you want to do is light it up. If it's vinyl, keep the fire moving. And look on the light with different angles so that you can see what the fire is doing. You can actually see it, and then you get to know when you can touch it and start making it. Now it's soft. Now she's ready to lay down even better. Now you got the glue under there, you just heated it up, and now watch this. Now, it looks as tight as it can be, right? If you have an uneven corner and you want to make it look sharp, let's say it's slightly wavy and you can see it but not everybody else can. You want to make it perfect? Make yourself a right angle with a hard-edged object. Look what I'm doing here. You get it? You're forcing a new corner to form out of newly heated vinyl. And this way, you're molding it. You see that? Now, as the vinyl cools, it'll harden too. Okay, so I gave you 3 tips on corners. 1, use extra tacky glue. 2, heat it up, if you can. You don't want to heat up paper. And 3, make yourself a right angle with a hard object and make yourself a new corner. Look at that. Look how sharp that is. Well, you got 3 tips. Remember to click on like and subscribe to my channel. This is Spencer Colgan's Wallpaper, and thanks for watching, and keep on coming back, and leave a comment in the section. Tell us what you think, tell us what you do. Thanks for watching. If you need wallpaper, go to wallpaperboulevard.com. Thank you.